So our dessert dish of this mini series that we're doing at home, at my house, with this beautiful wood burning oven is just baked apples. It's very simple. My grandma used to always make it for me. My dad loved it, and so my mom used to make them for my dad and myself too. And you literally take washed apples. We're gonna just cook 3, I think, and leave 2 just in case we mess up. A little bit of butter, and you want to be generous with this, okay? Just nice. Massage the apples with the butter like this. Some people are gonna freak out and say, oh my God, you use so much butter, but you need to do this with this. Because, I explain right now, that's what's gonna make the sugar stick to the apples. There we go. And you can make them stand up if you want. Doesn't really matter. They're gonna break down and get soft, and all we're gonna do is just eat them with a spoon, just this way. Add a little bit of white wine, just to give it some steam in there, like that. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, every dish we're doing in this series is so simple. It's a matter of having 2 or 3 ingredients, and you get a wonderful dish to eat. Now this is gonna take longer than any of the other dishes that we've made. It's probably gonna take about 10 minutes to be ready, okay? So we're gonna wait, watch them, and then we'll take them out as soon as they're ready and eat them. My guests have almost arrived. So, as you can see, magically, the table is set. The last touch to put the plates down where we're gonna enjoy all this food. And my apples are ready to be taken out of the oven. They're nice and roasted. Look at these beauties. They've swelled up. Smells good. Smells delicious. I can smell the burnt butter and the sugar that's caramelized. We're gonna leave them right here. And look how this dessert is. Roasted apples. That's it. It follows all the other dishes that we have ready here on the table, which is simple, 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 delicious, fresh ingredients. It follows exactly what my cooking is all about. So I hope you stay, enjoy. My friends are coming. We're gonna open a nice bottle of champagne and enjoy these treats that we've made on our little mini series here at home with this beautiful wood burning oven. Thank you again for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this mini series as much as I enjoyed making it. Let's cook together again, and now I'm gonna enjoy my dinner.